Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Tradify and creating a new job right away. Gather client contact, site address, scope, and pricing before you tap Jobs right arrow plus New Job. Once done, either pick an existing client or add a new one so records stay linked. Make sure to set job type to fixed or hourly and enter start and end dates. This drives scheduling and cost estimates. Finally, assign one or more staff members and save the draft so you can proceed to estimate and scheduling. You now build the quote in Tradify, add line items for materials, input labor rates, apply markups and tax, and preview the total so the client sees a clear price. Once comfortable, convert the quote to the job and populate task list, attach photos, and enable timesheets for assigned staff. After that, sync dates with your calendar and send the quote via email directly from the app. Monitor the acceptance status so you know when to mobilize the crew. You finish by finalizing timesheets, uploading receipts, and checking that all materials and labor are logged before you mark the job complete. Then generate the invoice from the completed job, send it to the client, and reconcile payments against bank deposits so accounts stay tidy. If something goes wrong, for example missing entries or sync delays, first check user permissions and device sync status, then review the job audit trail for edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.